Welcome to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. Today I'll teach you guys how to remove your rapid security response on your iOS iPhone. So it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. So this is only going to be available if your iPhone is up to date or like in the latest version. So make sure to update your iPhone and then you're going to have this option. So let me show you how you guys can access it. Now if you have iPhone, it's pretty simple. Just go to your iPhone's setting. Now once you're inside your iPhone's setting, you can see this option called General. Well, you want to click on this option General, and inside General, the first option where it says About, you want to click on About. Now once you click on About, it's going to show you all these options. Now from all these options where it says iOS version, you want to click on iOS version. Now once you click on iOS version, it's going to show you something like this. And at the bottom you can see remove security response. If you see that option, you want to click on it. Now once you click on that option, it's going to show you this. iOS rapid security response will be removed from this iPhone. Well, we want it to be removed, so click on remove. Once you do that, your rapid security response will be removed from your iOS. So that's how simple it is. So if you guys found our video helpful on how to remove rapid security response on iOS, hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.